What's up? Good morning. Hope everybody slept well and had a good night. I got a little less sleep than I wanted. Was up watching Happy Gilmore 2 with the family. It's awesome. You guys should definitely watch it if you haven't. But what I will say is that these last few days have in fact played out perfect for ADA. We have checked all the boxes that we needed to see. The bear trap has been in full effect, which is perfect. And now we have this beautiful setup to make a nice extension to the upside and potentially setting a new local high for ADA. And I want to talk about that with you guys. Need to talk about one last box that I think may need to be checked as we head through the weekend here. Also want to talk about a poll that we lost, which was actually a good thing. All that and more. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So right now it's about 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And like I was talking about in my video last night, for those that missed it, we did in fact accomplish a couple things just as that candle flipped. One, we started to get the stochastic RSI to flip around, potentially creating a bullish cross down here in the oversold range, which is a great bullish sign. As you guys can see, many times as we've gotten these bullish crosses taking place, it's led us to our extension, bullish cross, extension, bullish cross, extension, so on and so forth, right? It's a huge signal. What we're also seeing here now too is our 100-day has officially crossed our 200-day moving average every single time, except for once. And that was about when things first started, about when the 200-day showed up on the charts. Every single time this has led us to a nice extension in terms of price. So now on a technical level, we're seeing exactly what we need to see. We saw a big conviction in terms of holders. Now, what I will say, the last thing I'd really like to see this weekend is this weekly candle, in fact, close green. Right now, we're down about 3.5% on the weekly, which isn't that big of a deal. I mean, we've had weeks like that before. But if we get back to, what is it, 80, oh gosh, where's the close? 85.80 and close this thing on a green note, that would be a very big momentum swing. And I think that's something that would kind of instill a lot of confidence back into the markets. Now, are we set up to make that move? Yes, we are. Not saying it's going to happen for sure. Understand that, because right now we've obviously gotten into the weekend. We've seen a significant drop off in terms of volume. 60 billion is the 160 billion is the daily trading volume over the last 24 hours, now enveloping some of the weekend candle. You guys can see ADA at about $1 billion in trading volume here over the last 24 hours. So yeah, things have kind of quieted down a bit, but we have set up this bear trap perfectly. This is what the liquidation heat map looks like. And you guys can see a huge concentration of leverage right here at about 83 cents up to about 85.5 cents. So that pop might be enough to send things in motion and, in fact, liquidate more shorts along the way. And guys, look at how much leverage there is basically between here and 95 cents, which obviously would be a local high. That's a pretty big deal. And it's a question then of volume. Do we get enough push over the course of the weekend? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but things are, in fact, set up perfectly. All right. This is exactly what we talked about, banging our head on that 82, 83 cent level several times. And that's what we have, in fact, been fighting. But it's been very good. Cannot complain about this at all. Something I wanted to show you guys here as well is on the ADA BTC chart. We are about to get the 20-day moving average crossing the 100-day moving average, which has historically led us on pumps here as well. And again, if we take a look back at what we were doing in November, it's all playing out exactly the same. Actually, the moment that our 20-day crossed our 100-day moving average, that was exactly where, after these couple days of retracement, just like we saw here, that is right where we made our extension and our next leg versus BTC. Is that possibly what we're about to see? Definitely could happen. I will say BTC dominance just continues to hemorrhage. Just worth noting there. Actually about to get a bearish cross taking place on the stochastic RSI there on the daily. So we might be in the swing of a weekend pump. Okay, I'm not going to say again this is going to happen for sure, but things are set up pretty darn well in the crypto market. Obviously, we got a little bit of help yesterday in terms of institutional money. Another huge day on the Ethereum side, $452 million accumulated worth of Ethereum, $130 million worth of BTC added. So they're back on the buying side there. So that's all looking very good. Now, I will say there was a poll that was done by Discover Crypto yesterday, and I hope you guys voted the right way. It said, which altcoin is dead 10 years from now? And ADA almost won this. And I don't know if this was just the community just smashing ADA as we normally do in all these polls, but Solana did in fact beat ADA out. And this is probably a very, very accurate poll as far as the winner here. There are just, and this isn't a dog on Solana, but there are a lot of up and coming chains that don't have a lot of the same issues. And I don't want to say Solana has been kind of played out, but it's been played out, if that makes sense, right? The narrative there is getting kind of old. So, but thought that was interesting, but just wanted to share that with you guys. I appreciate you as always. We'll see what the weekend brings. Hopefully it's a lot more green. BTC is in fact starting a green daily candle for the first time since what's that, Tuesday. So maybe we can get a little bit of a pep in our step, get some momentum building through the weekend and see a lot more green ahead. Did want to show you guys again, still just have my longs. They're just sitting open, haven't changed anything. I did open an algo long yesterday, so we'll see how that does. But my ADA long is up 522%. My XRP is 85%. My SHIB long is 169%. And again, if you guys want to check out BTCC or Margex, there are referral links in the description below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. Understand that there is risk that comes with trading on leverage. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope we have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.